This week on AtlantiCast. A familiar face becomes the newest chairman of the American Hospital Association. A breakthrough in heart surgery at Morristown Medical Center. Celebrating a year of innovation at Atlantic Health System. Plus, tips to keep you free from the flu. Hello, I'm Luke Margolis. Welcome back to AtlantiCast. Atlantic Health System President and CEO Brian Granulotti is the new chairman of the American Hospital Association. As the top elected official in the national organization that represents America's hospitals and health systems, Brian is in a great position to fight for the policies that will advance healthcare in America. Among his top priorities, improving access to affordable care for everyone who needs it.
And I really think that we have to take these issues of affordability very, very seriously, and we have to take the lead in that, even though it's going to require the participation and cooperation of others.
You can hear more from Brian at AtlanticHealth.org. Morristown Medical Center's internationally recognized cardiac team performed the world's first transcatheter mitral valve repair as part of a new clinical trial. The trial will examine how well a new valve repair system works for patients with a degenerative condition. The standard treatment for this type of condition is open heart surgery, so this new technique offers a safer and less invasive procedure done via catheter. Overlook Medical Center broke some new ground when Dr. John Knightley, the Vice Chair of Neurosciences at Overlook, conducted the first minimally invasive spine procedure using the new Visian Voyant system. The Voyant system is a new alternative to traditional surgical microscopes. It uses new visualization technology to give the surgeon a better view of the spine, meaning less repositioning and refocusing during surgery. A year of innovation at Atlantic Health System has resulted in some amazing new inventions to improve healthcare. AHA, the Atlantic Health System Idea Incubator, powered by Atlantic Health System's 16,500 member workforce, has developed new surgical tools, computer programs to process data, and now takes advantage of the benefits of 3D printing. Using a new 3D printer, teams at Overlook developed an adjustable bracket that allows patients with IVs to move more freely, assisting in their recovery. To learn more about AHA, visit our website, AtlanticHealth.org. 2019 is off to a winning start for Atlantic Health System and all of our medical centers. First up, Morristown Medical Center was recently redesignated as a magnet hospital for the 5th consecutive time by the American Nurses Credentialing Center. The Magnet program honors healthcare organizations for quality patient care, nursing excellence, and innovations in professional nursing practice. Only 13 of 482 Magnet-designated hospitals have been accredited 5 times. Staying with our nursing, the Organization of Nurse Leaders in New Jersey recently recognized 2 Atlantic Health System nurse leaders with awards. Sharon Kelly, nurse manager of the emergency departments at Overlook Medical Center's Summit and Union campuses, and Tara Gleason, manager of the Child Development and Autism Center at Morristown Medical Center, received Nurse Leader Awards. Fortune magazine has named Atlantic Health System a Best Workplace for Diversity for the 3rd time. Atlantic Health was the only healthcare organization from New Jersey to make that list. Becker's Healthcare has recognized Atlantic Health with 3 awards recently. AHS was named to the list of 100 hospitals and health systems with great orthopedic programs. Amy Perry, CEO of our hospital division and the Senior Vice President of Integrated Care Delivery, was named to the list of the 143 women leaders of hospitals and health systems to know. And Becker's has named Atlantic Health System and Overlook Medical Center one of 68 most green hospitals nationwide, thanks to their efforts to protect the environment. As we go to a quick break, if you've avoided the flu so far this season, consider yourself lucky. But it's always a good time to take some precautions to try to avoid getting sick this year. Dr. Jason Kessler, the Chief of Infectious Diseases at Atlantic Health System's Morristown Medical Center, has some great tips that we've linked to on AtlanticCast.org. Some of the big ones include It's always valuable to get the flu vaccine before the season starts. Practice hand hygiene. Wash those hands with antibacterial soap for 30 seconds, multiple times each day. And if you hear one of your coworkers is sick, encourage them to stay home. Your office mates will thank you for it. You're watching AtlantiCast, health news from our network to your screen. Important news in the fight against cancer. The country's first breakthrough oncology accelerator pairs Atlantic Health System's award-winning cancer care with TGen, a leading genomics research institute, to bring pioneering therapies to New Jersey, advancing the science of cancer treatment. Through the new Breakthrough Oncology Accelerator, patients at Morristown, Overlook, Chilton, Newton, and Hackettstown Medical Centers have access to clinical trials and treatment options previously unavailable to our region. Promising new treatments include immunotherapy and other cutting-edge drugs to fight many types of cancers, including pancreatic and colorectal cancers. To learn more about the Breakthrough Oncology Accelerator, visit AtlantiCast.org, where you can find the latest news from Atlantic Health System and sign up to receive important health tips from Atlantic Health System's world-class physicians. Visit AtlantiCast.org today and get health news from our network to your screen.